Hello YouTube and welcome to tutorial number 49 in the Microsoft Visual Basic.NET Programming Tutorials, and this is a follow-up of the previous tutorial where I'm going to show you how to click a button without an ID. Okay, so if you followed the previous tutorial you should have this open right here. If you didn't and you just found this video by accident, please click the annotation right here, watch that video first and then watch this one. Okay, so now I'm going to assume that you have all this open and you're ready to continue. So first of all, what we're going to need to do is remove this list box one items to add here. We don't need this anymore, and we can also delete the list box component. I'm going to change this button text to click button. Okay, and what we're going to be using here is Facebook. A common problem with people using VB.NET, when they learn their GetElement by ID, they're trying to click buttons without an ID, they're trying to fill text boxes without an ID, they start getting confused. Here's what I'm going to help you. Now, if you view the source code, what we learned in the last tutorial is how to interact with HTML elements individually. Now here, we can see that we have, where is it, the login. Right here we have an element input, and we have an attributes value, name, on click, type, and all our values here. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're just going to, well, we already have our HTML element collection, but that's what we normally do. Now we have the HTML element collection of the page, and sorry, we need to change this to facebook.com. Now we have our HTML elements of the page, we can start looking at the source code, and we need to pick an attribute to use. So value is going to be the most unique one on the page, so what we're going to do is use value. So we're going to just copy and paste this into a comment right here, so easy use. And what we're going to say is, when it loops through each element, we're going to say if webpage element dot get attribute, whoops, and our attribute right here is value, is equal to log in. Let me just make sure that is correct, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, just making sure. Then what we're going to do is web page element dot invoke member click. Now I don't have enough time to code to fill in each text box and stuff, so this is all I'm going to leave you with for now. It's probably going to say you need to fill in a name or password, but you know, this is just a test. So what we're going to do is hit play or debug. And oh whoops, sorry, what we need to do is navigate to the login page. I'm very tired right now, sorry, as I explained in a previous video. And here we go. Now normally we wouldn't be able to click this with get element by ID, but if we click this, there we go, incorrect username. I didn't click it then, by the way. I'll just click again to show you. Okay, so what we've basically done there is we've taken all of the HTML elements in the web page, which includes the button element, or it's not actually a button, it's input, and we've checked each attribute value, and we've looked at if the value of each of those elements, sorry, each of those attributes is login, and if it is login, then we're going to click it. So that was basically the tutorial on how to click a button without an ID, and I apologize once again for this video being quite sloppy, but I do not have a lot of time right now, and you know, it's funny that when I do have a lot of time, it's after I've not had any sleep. I'm just really busy right now and doing some stuff, so yeah, that's why I haven't uploaded the video. But here's 2 videos for you, and I'm going to be uploading much more. Hopefully upload a few more before August, and then August is when I'll start blasting them out. So please comment on this video with any suggestions, any requests, any questions, and rate this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys around.